Hey everyone, happy Tuesday and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the carrying case for the Quest 2. Now, although this bundle does come with the Elite battery strap as well, we're just going to be taking a look at the carrying case and seeing how that does to protect your Quest 2 and Elite battery strap. I will be uploading a review and installation video of the Elite battery strap as well, so be on the lookout for that, or subscribe so you get that notification as soon as it's out. Alright, so let's take a look at the box itself. On the front, you've got a showcase of the Elite battery strap and just a little picture of the case itself. On the back, pretty much the same thing, just got a description of the strap, extended battery life, rigid straps, adjustable fit wheel, which I'm pretty excited for, enhanced weight distribution, and feeling this actually does feel kind of heavy, and rear flexible brace, which is definitely missing on the default strap that you get with the Quest. Alright, so let's slide this open here. Ooh, got that Oculus logo. And inside the box, you've got your carrying case, and that's all there is. Let's put this box aside. And wow, first impressions, I love the suede look on this. It's got this like concrete kind of marbly feel to it, and it's tough. Yeah, I can put quite a bit of pressure on this and it doesn't seem to buckle very much at all. This is well equipped to take care of your Quest 2. Ooh, this zipper is real interesting. It's actually hidden inside the shell of the case. So you're pulling on this string and it's got this very seamless look to it. Now I can definitely see this becoming an issue if you do manage to break or lose that string that's connected to the zipper, because that's going to be really tough to move without the string, so let's hope that stays on. Alright, and on the inside, you've got the Elite strap. Awesome. Let's take that out for a second and put it aside. Ooh, and on the inside, you do have some plastic inserts that will add some additional support and structure to what you've got in here. And this nice dark grayish, blackish felt material on the inside as well, so no scratching up your Quest while it's in here, hopefully. Alright, so here we got our Quest 2 with the Elite battery strap attached, and let's just put it into our case here. Okay, and it fits perfectly with the default size on the strap, but one thing to note is that if your strap is longer, if you got a bigger head and you've been using it, it's not going to fit until you make it just the right size to squeeze it in, so just keep that in mind. Otherwise, it fits really well. Here we've got the controllers, and it looks like just one goes in like so, and another one like so. They're cupped pretty nicely with the little plastic inserts that are in there, and even though they don't quite snap in, they feel pretty secure. And they're not going to scratch your lenses here thanks to this plastic insert. And last but not least is this little space in the front. Perfect little spot for your charger and cable. However, if you have a much longer cable for playing PC VR games with your Quest, it probably won't fit. Just eyeballing it there, this barely fits. Anyways, really nice of them to include a section just for that, and let's close it up and see how it feels. Alright, yeah, now it's got quite a bit of heft to it, but again, being as sturdy as it is, it's going to be really nice to carry around your device in. Again, you can put quite a bit of weight on it, and it doesn't have too much give, so definitely a good way of protecting your Quest. I'm probably just going to keep it in here even when I'm not using it, just to sit around the house. Overall, very happy with the build quality. And although $120 is pretty expensive, it does come with that Elite battery strap that we mentioned, and its build quality is very up to par, so I'd say it's definitely worth the money, keeping this for sure. Anyways, those are my thoughts. Let me know what you thought, and again, be on the lookout for that Elite battery strap review and installation video if you're interested. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and leave a subscribe for future VR content. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.